Hi friends, this is Srinta studying in ninth class in our B.M. Reddy International School. Now I am here to explain you about the seminar of Diwali. Before going to that, I am wishing you a happy Diwali to all. Coming to Diwali, Diwali is the festival of lights is one of the most widely celebrated festival of Hindus. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout the India and some of the parts of the world. With the festival are associated many legends and lores. It is marked the victory of Lord Rama and Ravana and the homecoming of Lord Rama after a evil of 14 years. As matter of fact, this festival is the symbol of victory of the forces of virtue of evil forever. The significance of Diwali is Hindu worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, on this day. They offer prayers so that goddess Lakshmi may visit their houses and bestow prosperity. Diwali is the festival of whole country it is celebrated in every nook and corner of the country. So this festival also creates a sense of oneness among the people. It becomes a symbol of unity. India has been celebrating the festival for thousands of years and continue to celebrate it even today. All Indians love this festival because every children and adult and still old age people also will burn crackers and they will do pujas in the house. Diwali is also called the Festival of Lights and is celebrated to honor of Ramachandra, the seven avatars. It is it is believed that on the day of Rama returns to his people after 14 years of exile, during which they fought and won of battle against the demons and the demon king Ravana. It is also the biggest festival of the year. In northern India, they celebrate the story of King Rama returns to Ayodhya after the defeated Ravana by lightning rows of clay lamps. Southern India celebrates it as the day that Lord Krishna defeated the demon Narakasura. Brings in the season of winter and all throughout the rainy days, and insect find a home around us and making things difficult for people. The chemicals that were used back in the day did not use harmful chemicals. Burning these would also burn away the insects around the people and bacteria in the air. Diwali originates from Sanskrit word Deep means lamp and Vali means row. It is literally means row of lights. The festival is celebrated by lighting earth lamps. There are many reasons for doing Diwali festival. There are many reasons. The five Pandavas brothers had been tracked in losing a bet in glamping, after which their Kaurava cousins banished them for 12 years. The Pandavas returned to Hastinapur on Kartik Amavasya as per the Hindu epic Mahabharata. According to another popular belief, Diwali may have originated as the harvest festival marking the last harvest of the year before winter. In some of the western states such as Gujarat and some northern Hindu communities of India, the festival of Diwali signifies the starting of the new year. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Have a nice day and once again happy Diwali to all.